The one-arm push-up. How do you get there? I recommend one-arm cheats. Take a block or a higher surface. One arm on there. Put most of the weight on the arm that's on the floor. Graduate up. Put less weight on this arm, more weight on the arm that's on the floor. Eventually you build up to one arm behind the back. If your push-up numbers are relatively high and you want more of a challenge, you can do the one-arm push-up. You can only get, I don't know, depending on where you are, 5 or 6, maybe up to 10, but you've worked a lot bilaterally. Or I should say unilaterally, one arm at a time. You build up the strength on both sides, make sure you keep it even, and try something new. Hang tough, old Jack out.